In this video, I want to show you how to create Telegram accounts. So to do that, if you are using Android, go to Play Store. Then click on search and come to this search bar and search for Telegram. So here is Telegram and here it's about 30 MB. Click on install. So this is the first step in creating your account. You have to install the Telegram app on your device. After downloading, it will start to install. So it's installed. So you can either open from here or you can just minimize this page and look for the icon on your screen. You can see it here. This is Telegram. So open to launch it. You can see the welcome message here. So click on start messaging. Please allow Telegram to receive calls so that we can automatically confirm your phone number. Click continue. Then here, click allow. Here, select your country. Select your country. Select your country. Then here, input your phone number. Click on this icon. Here, you have to choose a login email. So here, enter your email you want to use to log in. And alternatively, you can sign in with Google. So just enter your email here. Then click on continue by clicking on this icon. So a verification code will be sent to your email. Let's check our email now. You can see an icon here, which means we have received a mail. So you can see the code here. You can see the code sent to my email. So just enter the code. So enter the code. So then they've sent an SMS with an activation code to your number. Check your inbox and enter the code. Here you can see the number sent. So enter the number in that box provided. So once you enter it, here you will be required to enter your full name. Let's say GeoJGI Solution, for example. So here you can add your profile picture. So click on this icon and then upload from gallery. Click on allow. Then you can look for the icon you want to use. I want to use this. I'll select it. Then click on this icon to upload it. So immediately you can see it has been uploaded. By signing up, you agree to the terms of service. Click on this icon to continue. You can see welcome to Telegram. So click allow. Start messaging by tapping the pencil button in the bottom right corner. So here is it. Tap it. So Telegram will need to access your contacts so that you can connect with your friends across all your devices. Your contact will be continuously synchronized with Telegram's heavily encrypted cloud server. So click on continue. Click continue. Yes, you can see. So this is how to create Telegram accounts. Thank you for watching.